Hello, my name is Thomas and I'm going to explain to you our SBP or smart block pin products. So what you need to know is, first you need to know the length of the part, which you can measure, and then also the diameter of the part. Those two dimensions are very important. After that you can choose also which head style you'd like to use. For example, this is a ground handle, or a T handle, a ring handle, or L handle. They come in two different types of how you can release the ball pins, the balls, which is either pulling or pushing, that's double acting, or just pushing, which is single acting, and you can see the balls, they can retract them. Furthermore, we also have two types of material, either tempered stainless steel or untempered stainless steel. And these parts we can manufacture in 2 weeks. We can make any special you need or provide an alternative to any manufacturer. For more information, you can download our catalogs on smartblockpins.com. Thank you.